This is BYD 2025 Han series. I'm going to make a spare key using Automotive smart remote and using Lonsdor. So let's see how to do this using Lonsdor. So this is the remote, new one. Go to BYD smart key. This one series. Series DM 2025 plus key count, current case 1. Going to program a smart key. Okay, switch ignition off, and double indicator. So put back the smart key. Okay, so I'm going to put it back here. Success, yes. So put to the new one. Press OK. Yes, program success. So you want more keys? No need. Now here's the 2 keys. Complete. So you can take out the key and check. Still so this, try switch ignition off and try it. That's it. Even check the original key, still working, and check the new one, it's working. Thank you guys. This 2025 BYD